Hello everyone, my name is Avilas Pothakur. Today I am going to demonstrate how a laser cutting machine works. I hope you all are aware of what laser is. It is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Now, what is laser cutting? Laser cutting uses a resonator to create a beam of light. It is then transmitted through a series of mirrors to a cutting head. The light then goes through a lens that focuses the laser beam. There are two kinds of laser cutting machines. One is metallic and other one is non-metallic. Here we have a non-metallic one, hence it can cut through wood, paper, leather, glass, acrylic, etc. Here we have Gravograph CO2 laser cutting machine specification of which are provided here. Its model number is LS100. Different components of the laser cutting machines are control unit, workpiece positioning table, optics unit, which you will see while demonstrating.
Hello everyone, I am Avilas Pothakur. Working in the General Engineering Division of CSIR NIST, I am here to demonstrate you all how a laser cutting machine, or you can say how a CO2 laser cutting machine works. But before that, let me brief you about the equipment. I hope you all are aware of what laser is. It is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Here in our demonstration, we are using Gravograph CO2 laser cutting, or you can say engraving machine. We have three things. We have a PC, we have a laser cutting machine, here you can see, and we have a blower. Here you can see we have a blower. In PC, we have Gravograph software. Here you can see this is the Gravograph software. We need to plug in the dongle. We need to plug in this dongle. Here you can see in this box we have this dongle. Okay, we need to plug in this dongle, otherwise we can't communicate with the software. Now let me switch on the equipment. PC has already been turned on. For the machine and the blower, we have two switches behind the machine, and this switch is on the machine. Now I am switching on the machine. Here you can see the machine has been turned on. This is the console of the machine. This is the console. Now let me show you how to handle the software to communicate with the machine. Let me show you the software. This is the software. I am opening the software. Now it's loading. Whenever you open the software, material and machining definitions dialog box comes. Here we need to specify the dimension of the area where we are required to perform the cutting or engraving operation. We can also provide a margin. Let me show you the material and machining definition dialog box here. This is the area which we need to specify, and this is the margin. So I am specifying the area as 125 into 125 millimeter square. After that, let me import an image. You can also import CAD files. Even you can draw some simple objects. To import, you have to click on the top right corner. But before that, you have to click on this arrow. Okay, after that, you have to click on the top right corner. Click on import. So I'm importing this image. So now the image has been imported. After that, you have to click on run marking. Then a dialog box appears. So here we have three parameters to play with. power, this is speed, and this is dot per inch, that is DPI. After that, we have to click on this switch or button to run the machine. The maximum marking area of the machine is 460 into 300 millimeter. So in this way the machine basically operates. Thank you very much for your kind attention.